Hello viewers, I'm Dr. Alice Pratima Michael. It's so good to talk to you today. Today I thought I'll talk about hair loss and the associated problems and what solutions we can offer. Okay, as you all know, both men and women both suffer from hair loss. And of course, men is much more common to have androgenic alopecia, something associated to their male hormone testosterone, which instead of going the straight path, goes a slightly crooked path and then ends up reducing the blood supply and too much of oil in the scalp and so on. And this kind of hair loss generally supposed to start from 35 onwards, but I'm doing hair loss treatments for more than 20 years, and over the 10 years I've noticed even very young people, those in the universities, start to have early onset type 1, type 2 type of alopecia much earlier. Of course, female, they have a different kind of hair loss, effluvium, which is normally due to vitamins, minerals, collagen, protein deficiencies, iron deficiencies, and of course it can also be associated for both parties from stress. It can be associated to certain hormonal imbalances and so on. For women, it's predominantly polycystic ovarian diseases, or sometimes it can be due to even severe stress which affects the amount of estrogen in the hair sprouting areas, which is the scalp. So basically, women need to have about 25% of estrogen esters in their scalp to be able to keep a healthy, glowing pride of their beauty. So what can we do to prevent and also to treat? Of course, we always want people to approach us earlier than after they have developed severe alopecia or hair loss. But of course, let me first go through what solutions that we can offer if someone were to approach us with a moderate problem of hair loss. Okay, so in our centers, we believe a lot in using your own body substances because they are the most safe. They will not cause any kind of anaphylaxis or allergies, and they always do well together, with your body systems able to absorb the product. From the year 2011, I have been pioneering autologous stem cell treatments, and since then we have used FDA approved equipments. Till today we have been doing a lot of autologous stem cells. So this is generally taken from the fats in the body. Just a small amount of fat will do. From that I'm able to produce adult stem cells of mesenchymal origin, and together with the supravascular factors, it's able to kind of regenerate new blood vessels, as well as, because mesenchyme stem cells are the ones that give rise to most of the collagen organs in the body, and hair being predominantly a collagen organ, we are able to produce a lot of new hair. Even a single treatment with that for moderate amount of alopecia, which in the middle range, which is between 3 to 4, we can see amazing changes in the hair. Of course, next comes Regenera Activa. That is my next favorite because it's also autologous. When you say autologous, it's from your own body. So here we are taking 4 or 5 small punch biopsies of your hair root from the deeper parts, and then we are going to produce it in our systems here, and then we are going to, it comes in a liquid medium, and we are injecting it back into the scalp in the deficient areas. This we can do both for male and female as well. And this kind of treatment, with one treatment we are able to show good results within 3 to 4 months, and this is actually cytokines or things that is signaling new hair growth or making very small hair follicles, those that are not mature. It assists in maturation of these hair follicles so that they can sprout healthy, strong hair strands. And the next one we do very popular here is the HR cytokines. So the HR cytokines is very famous in Korea. You may know that Korean men generally, more than 50 million of them suffer with severe hair loss, and of course they have a lot of experience treating hair loss as well. And this product is something like a lyophilized cytokines powder form, which we get it and then we are able to activate it and then inject it back into the scalp, both for men and women. And this can actually increase oxygenation in the scalp. It can increase maturation, it can increase new follicle formation as well, and of course increases the blood circulation. And this is going to assist, but it's not one single treatment. This we would do according to the hair loss. It may be 3 to 6 treatments, and generally in our center we like to do things painless. So as we know, a lot of men and even a lot of women, they do not want to have pain. So our way of doing it is, instead of injecting these things inside, we are using a photonar laser, and we are actually creating a very small microscopic punctures, but you just feel like it's a small kind of stimulation of your scalp, slight heat sensation. And then once the laser is finished, then we are using our sonophoresis equipment, meso energy equipment, to actually penetrate the HR cytokines into the scalp. So if you take a package between 3 to 6 treatments, you may see amazing amount of good hair or strengthening of very thinning vellus hairs as well. Of course, we also have our very own program that I have kind of done it for my patients over the last 20 years. And this is a combination of oxygenation of the scalp, because we know oxygen supply to the hair root is very important. So I do the oxygenation of the scalp with penetration of a lot of vitamins that goes in with small micro atoms of oxygen, which goes into the scalp. And then after that, we are using a small stimulation method to penetrate whatever mesotherapy products we want to use for our patients, both male and female. And after that, we are using a diode laser, which is the Omnilux, those of you who want to know brands. And we are doing this within a period of 1 hour, and we do packages of 10 that patients can come in once a week or fortnightly, and they get very good results as well. So for us, these are the mainstays of treatment. Of course, many of you I know who have hair loss problem have been told that PRP works very well. Well, PRP works, and sometimes it doesn't work. No doctor can honestly tell you PRP works all the time. Sometimes PRP just has growth factors. They do not have stem cells like what we talked about, or cytokines. So basically they have some new blood vessel producing stem cells, that kind of thing. But sometimes we may also need to add other mesotherapy products together with this concoction to make the PRP treatment effective, which is what we do in our center. And even though we use Regen ACR, autologous cellular regeneration product from the blood, as our PRP, we know that this has superior amount of growth factors compared to anything else in the market. So we always want to give things of good quality to our patients. But to make sure the results are very good, I would also, upon analysis of the patient's condition, according to their personal problems, I will customize a program for them where I add on other mesotherapy products. So we are adding biotin, we are adding a lot of peptides, we are adding things that will reduce like the hormone levels in male, especially those that is causing the problem of hair thinning. We are negating the effects of it by adding mesotherapy products together with the PRP, and then we are putting it into the scalp. Then again, because PRP is not as strong as cytokines or even of course mesenchymal stem cells, we may have to go up to 6 or 10 treatments at regular intervals to get results. Of course, you all know that I do a lot of hair transplants. We do hair transplants for those who have completely lost hair, and they will need to have some amount of cosmetic coverage. But doing a hair transplant does not mean that you do not need maintenance, because we are just cosmetically covering the amount of hair you lost in the scalp. But then if you continue to lose hair, then of course the problem can recur, or it can happen in other areas where you did not put in the implants, hair transplants. So you still need to have a good doctor to guide you through not just the recovery process, but even the long-term maintenance process, because hair loss sometimes it comes in spurts. Sometimes it may be quiescent, it doesn't continue to lose hair, it may stop for a while, it's okay, and then after a while it'll start to drop a lot. So you always need a good doctor to be your partner. So if you guys are interested in any of these treatments, or you're suffering from some early hair loss problems, you may also use my plant-based products. We have the D. Alice shampoo, conditioner and tonics, which I have curated, and all of it are nanopeptides and very strong peptide solutions, which will definitely, I'm not promising it will grow back all your hair, but it will definitely help you to reduce the amount of hair you lose if you have that kind of condition. So that is why for me the diagnosis is also very important. I'll spend a lot of time diagnosing the hair loss first. Sometimes I go as far as to run blood tests or take biopsies of the scalp if I think that you may be having one of the collagen disorders, and then according to that I'll customize and curate the program for you. So if you like the contents, please do follow our IGTV, and we are at Dr. Alice_Pratima, and please subscribe, like you knock a pack of rice, is it? Okay, as the saying goes. So until next time, see you then.